Genesis creates AI-powered sites that get more sales than any Amazon page. People love it and trust it more. But the best part is, Amazon loves it even more. In fact, they love it so much that they do something crazy. They send us their traffic. Because we can convert it better than they do. According to studies, over 95% of people look for reviews online before making a buying decision. And they compensate us with money. The best part is AI does all the work for us. We let AI do all the work. And we let Amazon send us the money. The only thing left for us to do is to collect payments. That's it. We don't create a site, buy a domain, get hosting, list products, promote, run ads, none of that. Everything is done for us by Genesis. All from one central online dashboard. Genesis is a software that lets normal everyday people leverage the online shopping craze with just a few clicks of the mouse. Find more information on the description below.